A brow powder is one of the best methods of disguising sparse brows. Powder helps give your brow a softer, more natural look as opposed to pencils, pomades. And that's why in this video I'm going to share with you guys a very easy way on how to fill in your brows using powder. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave down your comments, and also subscribe to my channel. Here are the tools you will be needing: a blending brush, an angled brush, a flat brush to define your brows, and a spoolie. First thing you want to do is apply a little bit of primer on your brows. The brow primers effectively absorb the oil from the skin and hair, and so when the eyebrow products are applied to the brows after applying primer, it lasts longer and all day. So you don't want to skip this step, especially if you have oily skin.
So I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a
As a substitute for a brow powder, you can use any eyeshadow of your choice or a contour powder. But if you have a brow powder, you can definitely make use of that. First thing I am going to do is to create an outline for the brow shape that I want. So I'll use the angled brush to create an outline at the top and bottom part of my brows, and then connect the two lines at the tail end of my brow. Doing this will make it easier for you to fill in your brows. The brow outline doesn't need to be perfect. This is just a guide for the shape that you want to create, and it makes it easier for you to fill in your brows with the powder. To apply the brow product on my brows, I'll be making use of a blending brush. Not an angled brush, guys, a blending brush. I'm using a blending brush because it's easier to control, it applies the product evenly, and it gives amazing results compared to an angled brush. You just have to pack in the product, tap off the excess, and then tap it on your brow hairs. It doesn't have to be perfect because we are still going to define the brows later. Making use of any foundation or a concealer, and with a flat brush, we are going to wipe out the mistake we made and define the brows. It's going to make the brows to stand out, and it's going to make the powder pop. Now I'll be using whatever little product is left on the brush to just tap at the beginning of the brow so it aligns with the beginning of my nose. With the leftover concealer on the flat brush, I am going to create hair-like strokes, and this is going to make the brows look more natural. So you're just going to draw upward strokes, just little at the beginning. You don't have to draw it to the tail of the brow, you just do it a little at the beginning, so this will make the brows look more natural. It's going to create fake hair. Shout out goes to the person who started this technique. I saw it somewhere and I decided to try it, and it's really amazing. I love the result that I got. You can definitely leave the brows like that without doing this step if you want to. It looks great just like so. This is the part where I don't enjoy at all. I don't like to define the top of my brows because I feel this is where you make mistakes and all the hard work goes to waste. Is there anyone like me? Are you in the comment section? Let me know in the comment section. Are you like me? Do you skip defining the top of your brows so you don't make mistakes? Let me know. I would like to hear from you guys.
And my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and
Using your blending brush and whatever product that's left on it, you don't need to take more product, you just need whatever that's left on the brush. Use this to tap over your brows again, and it's going to blend your brows. It's going to blend in the concealer too.
I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded.
This is the final step and it is optional. So you are going to use some highlighter and apply it at the bottom part of your brows, and this is going to give your brows a lifting effect and just make it look better. But you can skip this step if you don't have any highlighter or highlighter is not your thing. Here it is. This is how you can fill in your brows using any brow powder. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful and you gained something from it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and please subscribe and share.